Hey all. Hey, I'm down here in Charleston, South Carolina. Bridget and I are making our way back from Florida. Had kind of a strange week last week in that I had the lowest drop, only a 4-point drop in my CA19 number, and that it gave me some concern throughout this week because being this far out into my chemo holiday, I was concerned that it was turning the tide or the tide was turning and the number would be heading back up. Made me think a lot about creating false hopes with these videos, which I don't want to do. In fact, as an interesting topic, hope is. Can't live without it. Hope is just so powerful. And I guess what people consider to be false hope would be foolish hopes in the face of overwhelming evidence. And I don't know. There is a place for hope no matter what. So no problem with hope. I do not want to create false impressions of the circumstances, however. And CA19 number coming down is something to be very excited about, or happy about, I should say. Maybe not excited. It goes to 0. It doesn't mean I'm cancer-free, but it is a very good marker. It doesn't mean I'm not cancer-free either, but it's possible and maybe even probable that there are some cancer cells that are not, that don't create this antigen, and therefore there'll be another thing we'll track if I get to that point. That is called circulating tumors, and we'll start to track that one if I'm down to the 0. Anyways, down to 0. I had after sort of a concerning week, I had my best week. Oh my gosh, my best week ever this week. Isn't that interesting? So. Where's that coming from? Look at that. I guess the church got my attention here. Anyways, I had my best week ever. Whoops. I wonder how that's going to come out. I had my best week ever this week, a 25% drop, or close to. It was 19 from 50, or from 76 down to 75 down to 56. So that is just fabulous news. Wanted to get everybody up to date on that, and praise God for that. But remember, the miracle is what I'm living every day. And I really do believe that, and the prayers are being felt continually. So thank you all for the continued prayers, and we'll keep the updates coming. Thanks.